This is a wound or string or woven filter of 1 micron and 20 inches in length. It is a filter that has a small pore diameter, therefore it is placed at the final stage of sediment filtration in a water purifying machine. It is a type of filter used to remove suspended solids from water. Suspended solids include the sand particles, dust particles, and any other suspended matter in the water. To replace a wound filter, you unwrap the filter and carefully place it in an already open filter housing, then you tightly screw the housing onto the filtration machine.